All right, good morning, you guys. So this morning I will not be trading a live account. I'll be trading a prop firm phase 2. A prop firm phase 2. Funding pips. It was down already. We was already up on it. We're going to go ahead and continue it. This is what it looks. Let me see where it's at. Is it this? Boom. This is what the platform looks like. We're up on our phase 2 account on a 50K prop firm challenge with funding pips. They finally gave us what we dislike. They finally gave us our shit because they had to change interfaces. They were down, this, not, whatever. I'm not familiar how to use this at all. So I'm just going to be learning as I go. Literally. I don't know how the hell to use this shit. So out the gate, let's go ahead and see how to, let me try to learn how to use this shit real quick because fucking money is involved in this. All right, I see this goes left and right. Yeah, I don't know how to use this shit. I don't even like the colors of these candlesticks at all either. I don't know how to change any of this. Is it daytime? All right, I will only be trading. Let me see how to use favorites. Can you change this? No. Yeah, I don't even know how to use this. To change favorites or whatnot. Can you guys hear me? If you guys can hear me, please place a 1 in the chat real fast. I just want to make sure you guys are able to hear me. Yeah, my whole shit is fucked up. You can fill this box in over here like that. So I am centered. Okay, thank you. Look at this bullshit. That shit just flipped me upside down. The camera just flipped me upside down, bro. Crazy ass mess. Do this. We'll flip again. Nah, I ain't gonna flip again. All right, so good morning, boss player, all the way from Houston, Texas. Shout out to you, brass and blue bonnets. Thank you for tapping in. I really appreciate it, man. Let's try to see if we catch us a dub today, man. This is a I'm doing a 50K. Is a 50K funded account. I mean, phase 2 prop firm challenge. Me and my fiance are doing it together. We're both doing it together. Bunio high. Let's see if we can find us something this morning. Let me take off this this sessions indicators. I don't need this. I know the sessions. Yo, good morning, man. Welcome to the live stream. I am grateful to have you guys here this morning. Already looking at AUD USD. Super bearish on AUD USD. I don't give a fuck. I am super bearish on AUD USD. I marked this up last night and I could see price getting ready. Like, it's giving nice rejections from this resistance area. I'm looking at price to come down this way. So I'll be only looking for supplies on AUD USD. As of right now, the only supply that I see that just was made is right there. Boom. Let me look at other pairs that I trade. This is gold. Mark up my gold. Good morning from Nigeria, Smith Donald. Thank you for tapping into live stream. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you guys can, please. I appreciate it. I think I would like to see where is me. In NAS100 been super bullish lately. Look at this, bro. NAS100 been super bullish. Super bullish. If I would have tapped in earlier, I could have got a break of candle entry on the. Nah, I don't like the liquidity grabs at all. I hate liquidity grabs. All right, so good morning, Stretch. Are you gonna hit these charts up like the like the predator this morning? Yes, sir. I'm trying to smack the hell out of some shit. Just for the ones that are just tapping in, I'm not trading the live account. I am doing a phase 2 prop firm with funding pips. Let me see, where is that? It's right here. Boom. So me and my fiance were doing this together. It was down. Funding Pips was down, but they just started this new platform. This new platform. Originally we were trading on MT5, but now they have this new platform. I don't know how the fuck to use it, so I'm just gonna be using it as I go. So I can't explain to you guys how to go about this. I don't recommend them because I don't know much about them at all. My fiance highly suggests Rocket 21, and Rocket 21 been doing my girl very well, but they platform are not up yet neither. They're migrating from MT5 and MT4 to whatever DX Trader or something like that. But as of right now, we can't trade on she can't trade on her funded account with Rocket 21. She is funded with Rocket 21. Watching from, is that NG Nigeria? Shout out to you for tapping in. Blessed brother, many blessings towards your trading journey and financial future. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all you guys, man, for tapping in. Thank you. The journey continues. I mean, I'm gonna start having different type of content starting up probably later on this week, if not next week. Very different type of content. You guys are actually gonna really enjoy it. So you guys probably want to stay tuned to that. All right, let's see what's going on with the pairs because I don't see much of anything right now. Like I said, I'm very bearish on AUD USD. More likely, AUD USD gonna probably give some type of pullback for me to be able to try to get a entry to sell it down. Price creating lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Somewhere up in this area somewhere to create a lower high for me to get an entry, have my stop loss above this to take it down, but we gotta wait. Let me go ahead and mark this up. What calculator you use to get your right lot size? So if you don't know how to calculate your lot size, I'm gonna just go ahead and do it for you because I don't use anything. I just use myself. So boom, let's just say for example, I wanna enter a sell from this area right here, right? I'm gonna explain how I calculate my lot size. This is how I calculate my lot size, right? I'm gonna use my short tool. Let's just say if price come into this area, I enter, and my stop loss is gonna be here, right? In order to calculate my lot size, the first thing I'm gonna ask myself is, I'm gonna go ahead and put notes. So I'm just going to explain. The very first thing you want to do is ask yourself, what am I willing to risk? That's the first thing you want to do, is ask yourself, what are you willing to risk? Okay, so let's say, for example, let's say I have a $10,000 account. Let's just say I have a $10,000 account. The first thing to get my lot size, I'm going to ask myself, what am I willing to risk? On a $10,000 account, I'm going to risk $100, right? Boom. $100 or $200. Let's just say $200 in this example. I'm willing to risk, I'm willing to risk $200. That's the first step. What am I willing to risk? I am willing to risk $200. Okay, then I'm going to get the size of my stop loss. So if I enter right here, my stop loss is 4.5 pips on AUD/USD. 4.5 pips. So the next thing I'm going to do is the size of my stop loss, like how many pips is my stop loss? The size of my stop loss, 2. Number 2 is I'm going to calculate the size of my stop loss. The size of my stop loss is 4.5 pips. So my stop loss is 4.5 pips. Let me explain to you guys once again, the ones that are tapping in. Someone just asked, how do I calculate my lot size? I'm explaining how to calculate my lot size. First, what you have your account. You ask yourself, what are you willing to risk out of this account, right? You're willing to risk. Can you see this? Let me make sure I move it over here, because I know I'm on the bottom of the screen. You ask yourself, what are you willing to risk? You're willing to risk $200 in your size of your stop loss. Boom. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna divide. You get that $200. And you're gonna divide it by 4.5. So you got the $200, 200 divided by the size of my stop loss, which is 4.5, and you're gonna get 44.44, because I'm willing to risk I'm willing to risk $200. So this is my lot size. Can you guys see this? Let me see. This is my lot size. This is $44.44 per pip. So go ahead and write that down. $44.44 per pip. All right. Now I'm going to convert this to a lot size. So what is the lot size of this? This is 4.44. Literally. 4 standards, 0.44. That'll be my lot size. If price will come up here, I will enter a 4.44, and that'll be $44.44. Did you understand that, Kyle? The first thing you do is you ask yourself, what are you willing to risk? The second thing you do is the size of your stop loss in pips. So if it would have been up here, let's just say, for example, if it would have been 6 pips, right? I'm gonna change this to 6 pips. Boom. So now this is not going to be this now. All right. So right here, I'm willing to risk 200 once again. The size of my stop loss is 6 pips. My stop loss is 6 pips, right? So I'm going to get that $200. I'm going to divide the $200 by 6. I'm going to get 33.33. That's $33.33 a pip. So the lot size I'm going to use is 3.33. If you guys ever have any questions, man, my email is in the bottom of my description. It should be. My Instagram is in the bottom. My Facebook should be at the bottom. Feel free to always leave if you have questions, place questions. Let me see if there's any news today because I have not checked. So we have red folder news at 11 o'clock, but I'm not going to be in the market when that comes. We have an orange folder news with at 8:45. So boom. All right, let's see if we can find a setup because that's already see this never came back up here. Let's see. It's too late, but this would have been a supply zone right here. Gold is in the 5-minute supply. I might still be able to get it real quick. Damn, I missed it. Then that would have been a nice supply setup too. I did see it originally before I started doing the explanation. Let me see what the 15-minute looks like. This 2 is a 15-minute supply. 2.5, 25 pips. I'm gonna watch this. All right, so for the ones that are, there's a 4-hour support at 2080. On you talking about gold for sure. What's going on, Darius? How you doing, bro? I just realized you you put a comment in the chat. I'm doing pretty well, dog. One day at a time, man. You already know, one day at a time. Leon, shout out to you from the Bahamas as always, tapping in. Thank you for tapping in always, bro. I just gotta make sure this shit's right, man, because I'm finna get in this gold trade. I'm gonna get in this gold sale. I'm not gonna rush it. Just gotta make sure this fucking lot size is calculated properly. Okay, so this is definitely $4. So I need 4 standards because it's at $40 a pip. All right, this is for the ones that are tapping in. I am not trading my live account on Sway Markets. This is funding pips. This is our phase 2. Me and my fiance are doing a phase 2 on funding pips. She's officially she's funded on Rocket 21, but we're doing funding pips because they just actually mitigated their they transferred their from MT5 over to I guess their own platform now. So right now I'm risking. Right now, I'm risking 2% on this trade. This is a 50K phase 2 account. I'm risking $1,000. You say what? Hey, Judge, I know this off subject, but no offense. Do you get that a lot of the time that you look like or remind me of Black Rob the rapper? I don't even know who that is, fam. I never heard that before. I don't know who that is. Hit that like button, please, dude. I appreciate that. You guys can tap that like button. I appreciate it. Let me see. I don't know how to use this platform. This is my first time using this platform. I'm risking $1,000 on this trade. So I'm learning. Literally, I'm learning this as I go. I don't even know how to. Let me see. Stop loss is gonna be up here. Let me see. 2084.50. 2084.50. Let me see. 2080. $2084.50. I hope I calculated this. I should have calculated it right. If it gets around here, that'd be like minus 500. I was risking 2% on this trade. I was hoping I got a pull back up in here, but it never came. I don't know, I lost that shit fast as fuck.
Lost what?
Yeah, shit. Soon I entered, that shit literally went above. Went straight up. Alright, so I'm done for the day. This is a quick ass live stream, not gonna lie. Damn, Gold, you suck, bro. I kind of got scared when I seen this big rejection too, but I can't be scared, bro. I gotta start watching out for 8:30 too, because 8:30 market do be moving. Yeah, that's my L for the day, y'all. Okay, I am like today. I am not trading my live account. I was doing the phase 2 on funding pips. We're already up, but when they changed from MT5, they just the meta quotes bullshit. They have their own platform, and I just traded for the first time on their new platform. Today I'm not trading on my live account. I'm gonna trade back on my live account tomorrow. I've not taken an L since I started doing live streams on AUD USD. Yeah, I'm done. Just for the guys that are just tapping into the live stream, I just took this L. I took a sell up the supply zone at the break of candle, but you guys can see there was an exhaust. There was a nice wick rejection. Price came all the way back up, and I guess you guys know what that looked like. An L, a clean L. For the ones that are just tapping in, please click the like button. I appreciate it. This is what I originally looking for when I tapped into the live stream. I seen this 15-minute supply area over here. I was anticipating that price going to come up into this area. I could possibly get a sell off from there, but you guys can see price just kept coming down. I was very bearish on AUD USD because on the higher time frame I had marked up my support and resistance. You can see price acted as a resistance over here, a resistance. Resistance broke through, act as a support. We didn't tap this area. This is not a specific zone. I mean, this is like an area. So he came up off this area again. Price acted as a support over here. Support, resistance, and a resistance. And there was also a 50 ME, and price fell off of it. Like so, last night I did put this support in the resistance area here, and bro, the volume came in during apparently London session and pushed the market down. Thanks for being my liquidity. Hell no. You welcome, bro. Facts. It could still come up and test. I'm done. I'm done trading, bro. I'm done. I'm just checking out the market because I don't want the rest of my day just going like this. So I'm just looking at how the market is moving for the day. I'll be back tomorrow. Never mind, you're a demo trader. I am not a demo trader, bro. This is a phase 2. That was a phase 2 fucking funded account. So what the fuck are you talking about? I'm gonna let you know this, bro. Everyone that knows me, they know I'm cool as fuck, bro. But if you with that bullshit, I'm gonna kick your ass off. I don't give a fuck who you is. So for you, bro, I'm not a fucking demo trader at all. So what the fuck are you talking about, dumbass nigga? Bro, I'm always good vibes, so if you with that weird shit, I'm gonna kick your ass the fuck off. Just keep that shit real, bro. I'm not a fucking demo trader. Everyone know I'm cool as fuck, bro. I'm gonna take constructive criticism, but if you talking shit, your ass can go in the corner, bro. No, because I'm not triggered. This is how I talk. If you know me, bro, this is how I talk. But dog, I ain't gonna kick him off. I'm not gonna kick him off. I'm just letting them know, bro. Everyone know I'm real as fuck. I'm gonna keep everything organic. I ain't gonna kick them off. I'm just letting them know I'm gonna put everything on the table. I'm not the type of person that gonna immediately kick anyone off, bro. I know how it is trying to be funny or do. You have the right to speak your own mind. You have the right to speak your own mind. But if you nigging me, just know I don't have to deal with it. I got no hard feelings for you. No hard feelings at all. I mean, y'all have the right to speak your own mind. I'm not gonna judge y'all, but just know what you're talking about, man. I'm gonna correct something that needs to be corrected. But no, but yeah, this morning, just so you guys know, the ones that are just tapping in, this morning I was trading the phase 2 on the yeah, for sure, all good. I was trading a phase 2 on funding pips, and I took an L immediately. Like price immediately went against me. Price immediately went against me. Yeah, all good. No hard feelings. And I wasn't getting pressed. It's just that's how I talk. If you guys watch my journey, bro, I talk like this all the time, bro. I'm humble. I'm good peoples. And I understand people, bro. At the end of the day, we human. We human. I don't judge. I don't want no one to judge. And bro, it's at the end of the day, we all have the same goal, bro. We trying to make some money, and we trying to do what we can for our family. But yeah, this morning I took a big L, bro. I risked 2% on that funded account. I mean on the phase 2. I risked 2%. What do you think about NASDAQ? I'm in for a short, bro. I'm so scared of NASDAQ. I ain't gonna lie. NAS been just super bullish, bro. NAS been mad bullish. Let me look at NAS real quick. Yeah, NAS has always been very, very, very bullish, bro. I don't wanna. You can't sell. You don't know what's gonna happen to NAS until after the open. Because NAS can show some really nice signs that it want to sell off, bro. And bro, it been taking off. It been just saying, bro, forget you in your life. I'm gonna blast off. For example, right? Boom. Price is breaking structure to the upside, right? Broke structure, whatever. You got this big downward momentum, so it broke this structure to the downside. You got to pull back. You got an imbalance, and you have a supply area. I'm gonna go ahead and mark up the supply. This is on a 30-minute time frame, so you guys can see too. I would anticipate to sell off from this zone. This is on a 30-minute time frame, small time frame. Let's see real quick on a small time frame. So yeah, I don't like the 5-minute. So on the upper time frame, like the 15-minute and the 30-minute, you would anticipate. Me personally, I would try to kind of find a sell opportunity from this area, but now it's just been so bullish. I don't trust it. Every day during New York session, it goes up. Mr. Pure Life, I'm out here in Florida, bro. Let's get it. For sure, bro. Absolutely. And I want to tell all you guys, I appreciate y'all for tapping in. And I forgot to update my subscriber thing because I smacked my goal too. Shout out to my newest subscribers. My latest subscriber is Judy M. Judy M, shout out to you. The broker that I use is Sway Markets. I only trade live account with Sway Markets. I highly recommend Sway Markets. As for the prop firms, bro, to be honest, we already had a phase 2 with funding pips. So it's like we either gonna sit on it or just start making the best out of it. My fiance also have a YouTube channel as well. She's Golden Mimi FX on YouTube. She's documenting her journey. She's a NAS trader, a gold trader, and an AUD USD trader. But lately she's been beating the hell out of NAS100. She's been catching some dubs on NAS100. And we don't trade together because sometimes we see different things. We have different biases, so we can't trade together. My funded or funding pips? No, I'm using I'm using funding pips. GD got payouts. Oh yeah. Yeah, funding pips is straight. I've never heard anything bad about funding pips. I mean, if you go online, you're gonna one thing about life, bro. Nothing is gonna have 100% good reviews. That's nowhere we go. Nowhere gonna have good reviews. You're gonna always have bad reviews. Sometimes you're gonna have haters that doing bad reviews, and sometimes the bad reviews are just genuinely bad reviews. But hey, bro, do you trade with your wife? No, I don't trade with my wife. We trade similar. Every now and then we'll trade together, but sometimes we do have different biases. So if I wasn't on a live stream, we just sitting down together. We will go back and forth. Like she may ask like, what do I think about this? I'll give her my opinion. She'll tell me what she think about that, and I'll give her my opinion. Vice versa. So for the most part, we do trade similar. But she do have her own. She do have her own trading thing, right, babe? We trade together sometimes. We do have different biases. She's doing her own thing right now. Okay, you good. I've gotten payouts, my bad. Yeah, funding pips pretty good. I've heard good news. I know a couple people that have actually traded them, and bro, they say they got they're really good with their payouts. Love your channel, bro. I'm from Jacksonville. Shout out to Jacksonville. Duval County. Shout out to Duval County. All the way from South Africa. I love you, Stretch. I can relate to you. I am trying to get out of my job, and it's very tough. All I can say, I can give you my honest opinion. Do not give up. That's like the main thing I gotta tell you is just don't give up. And if there's any type of sacrifice you can make between your trading and your job, even if it's to try to learn how to master to trade on your phone, yeah, shout out to Duval County for sure. I know some people up there. Shout out to Duval. I'm down here in Miami-Dade. But yeah, if you know anyone that, yeah, for you, the guy from South Africa or the girl, I'm not sure who, if you're a girl or a dude, lock in, don't give up. And any type of sacrifice you have to make to be able to trade, bro, or sis, do it. Do it. But you gotta realize too, if you place that situation, if you put that sacrifice in place, if worst case scenario you lose your job, you should have already like established a cushion. So as of right now, I think you should just save up your money, allow yourself to be placed financially in a place so that in worst case scenario you lose your job or get fired, you have a cushion on, and you can be able to lock in with your trading. But you want to make sure you have that cushion to be able to continue to pay your bills and to be able to trade as well. I'm looking at AU in the 5-man supply right now. What? I was waiting for AU originally. Just so you guys know that ones that are tapping in, I'm done trading for the day. I'm just looking at the charts. Yeah, gold did me wrong, bro. And I usually be trading. I usually love AU, bro. AU is the one thing that be blessing me the most. Yeah, yeah, AU is heading up. It's heading up to filling this imbalance. Good morning, Stretch. Good luck today. I'm out here in day 2. Bro, one time we need to connect one day. Maybe. I mean, we live in a crazy world, so I'm sure you understand where I'm coming from. We live in a crazy world. But yeah, maybe one day we can probably collab or something like that, bro. I think I see you coming. I think I follow you. We follow each other on Instagram, if I'm not mistaken. And if you have not followed me on Instagram, bro, my Instagram link is in the bottom of my description. At Stretch for show. I want to see what happens with AUD/USD. I'm not trading AUD/USD. I'm done trading. I took my L for the day, and I'll be back in the market tomorrow. I did not trade my live account. I traded a phase 2 funding pips. And if you are tapping in just now to it, if you have not, please click the like button. I would really appreciate it. Hey, Stretch, what do you think about gold sales? Bro, I took a L on gold sales. I thought gold was gonna give me a sell off. Because I seen this, but then again, what kind of scared me is I seen this big massive wick, and I like, you know what? Maybe that could be just like prices doing this movement, trying to get itself together for 830. And then, bro, it just went against me. Nice L. I risked 2%. And I took a 2% loss. AUD/USD is a short 3-to-1 risk to reward. Yeah, I took a loss right here. Right here, bro. It was I took this 5-minute loss. I entered a sell up down here, and it literally went against me. Literally just went up. I should have just waited for AUD/USD because AUD/USD, I for the most part, I do be getting a lot of wins on AUD/USD. I win more on AU than anything else. AU I win the most in. Then there's NAS, and then there's gold. Gold sell is easy right now. Traded it last night. She gonna consolidate before the move plays out, or I break 2078. Yeah, bro. I'm done trading with Took a nice loss on gold this morning. Nice loss. But I'm not gonna lie, just by the way that AUD USD is moving, I won't be surprised if when the stock market open, it plummets. It won't surprise me at all if it plummets. Yeah, I'm not selling anything. I'm not trading it. I'm done. Because I thought it would be an easy trade. Trading gold right now would be suicide, bro. Yeah, I'm not with anything right now. I'm gonna lie. I am not with anything. Trading gold would for sure be not a good idea. I mean, you do have a price that came off this area several times, but yeah, good to see you trading Forex. Real sure everything will still be the same. Everyone wants to go to futures. I see that a lot of people want to go to futures. Don't get me wrong. I have been learning futures on the low. But as of right now, I'm sticking to this is the fade. Like I said, I'm not sure you just tapped in Dream Chaser. But this morning I did trade at my phase 2 prop firm with funding pips. I took a loss. I was really originally up, but as for trading Forex, bro, I have no problem with it, bro. Sway market's been blessing me when it comes to trading, bro. I make my money, I get out, I take a loss, I come back the next day, I make my money. It is what it is. But I'm not going away from Forex. But I have been learning futures. There's nothing wrong with learning something else because, bro, all this regulation shit is bullshit. Let's just say, for example, if a month from now, all regulation crack down on everything when it comes to Forex trading, bro, we have to have somewhere to go. If not, we'll be running around like with a chicken with his head cut off. So we got to have like a plan B in place. We got to make sure we have a plan B in place. So my plan B is definitely futures. For sure. That's why everyone is going to futures because everyone want to make sure they have a cushion and a backup plan just in case God forbid, if everything falls apart, someone have something to go to. Yeah, for sure. Gold would have been suicide. But yeah, this threw me off. This shit dicked me. And I had AUD USD marked up. I'm curious to see what's going to happen on AUD USD. Crypto trading. Yeah, I'm scared of crypto trading, bro. I'm not going to lie. I am super scared of crypto trading. If I wouldn't have took that gold loss, this probably would have been a setup right here that's happening right now. Mark my words. This may be the setup right here, possibly. Yep, AUD USD is definitely gonna be the setup for sure. For the ones that's happening, I'm not trading no more. I took my loss this morning. I'm just forward testing pretty much on AUD USD. So just so you guys know, I am not trading anymore. I'm just marking up my charts. I took that L on AUD USD. I'm just trying to see what would have happened if I would have taken this trade. This would have been, let me see. And in 3 minutes, if that have not broke this, I would have said that this would have been an entry right. The candle break probably would have been an entry. All right, so if price would have played in this area and created a new candlestick within like 2 more minutes, if price would have broke this candlestick, that would have been my entry. My take profit would have been here. Stop loss obviously would have been here. The good thing about this stop loss would have been the fact that it would have been above, because obviously this is below. Price would more likely be above or at this 50 MA. And also there'd have been like, I'm flexible. I do train my eyes to see certain things when it comes to trading for sure. But that would have been like a support area too. So if you trade support resistant, would have been a break, potential retest to fall off, a 5-minute supply after the imbalance, because there's an imbalance connected to it, and there's an EMA. People are already up $100,000 plus from this way competition. Bro, honest opinion, I don't like that synthetic indices shit. That shit is not for me. It's ass as fuck. Like, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. And it's crazy because when I did it too. I was in it too. I entered a trade, right? Was it a buy? You remember when I was showing you that it was going and going and going? I think I entered a sell. It was a sell that I entered. I'm in profit. I put my stop loss in profit. And it blew all that shit. It blew it all, and bro, my equity was negative. And I'm like, oh shit, this shit does not respect fucking stop losses. I say, nah, I'm good. That's just for the birds. I don't like it. Some people may be okay with it. I don't like it. They don't respect stop losses. That's like driving a car with no car with no brakes. It's like driving a car with no brakes. I don't want to drive that car with if I know that car ain't got no brakes, it fucked me up once, it gonna fuck me up again. I don't like synthetic indices. I don't like the synthetic indices, bro. I'm good. Some people love it. I don't love it. I don't like it at all. Do you buy at market price or do you enter a specific order? Yeah, I buy at, like, I look for particular areas. Like can people trade the synthetic live? They had it live for 1 day. They had it live for 1 day. And bro, I've heard a lot of people made a lot of fucking money off that shit. I know 2 people in particular that have like that crazy numbers. That would have been an entry right here, y'all. AUD USD. Boom. I would have entered a hold on, what? Can people trade the synthetic? Yeah, they had it to trade live, but not anymore. They took it away. Why not just let us trade regular shit? Yeah, you can trade regular stuff. Oh, you talking about on the challenge? I'm just gonna eventually come up with it. They're gonna start doing it eventually. But as of right now, bro, just regular stuff. I mean, just the synthetic for the challenge as of right now. No, they ain't block you from trading. They just stop everyone from trading it overall. No, they just stopped it because I didn't have a chance to do it. I tried to do it and it was over with. It was too late. They wouldn't allow no one to trade it. It was too easy to make money, bro. When I did that, when I did the challenge, bro, it was like crazy, bro. Cause I entered the trade right, and bro, it was just going down, like going my direction, more and more and more profit, bro. And I, then this does not make no sense. And then I was looking, I realized that after so many candles, it spiked up. So that's why I was like, man, let me go ahead and put my stop loss in profit. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop loss in profit. Worst case scenario, I'm able to walk away with something. And then, bro, it just, the stop loss was in profit. Bro, it stumped me out as if the stop loss was never there. And I'm like, nah, this ain't for me. I'm good. I don't like the synthetic indice challenge. I'm not with it. Nah. Some people love it. I don't. Look at that gold shit, bro. For the ones that I just tapped in, I took this sell over here on gold, and it killed me. It fucking went against me immediately. That trade did not even see. It never even seen profit. I ain't going $1 in profit. I haven't even went to break even when I entered that trade. That shit went straight to negative. NAS100. Like I was saying, I feel as if NAS100 is gonna get ready to fall today. In AUDUSD, that would have been a breaker candle entry right there if I would have like waited for this setup, and my sell loss would have been there, and my take profit would have been here. Yo, what's going on? Good morning. You finally caught the live stream for sure. I took a L on I was doing my phase 2 on Funding Pips because I'm not sure if you know, but Funding Pips was down for a moment because they were changing from the MT4, MT5 to I guess its new platform or whatever. I took a loss, risk of 2% on the phase 2 50K challenge, and I lost. Crazy ass loss. But this would have been a trade today. This would have been a trade today. This would have been my trade. This AUDUSD. But since I already took my loss today, and I told myself I had to become. I mean, I'm sure you guys watch my journey. If you guys have realized, I've been super undisciplined throughout most of my journey. And then, bro, now it's like, okay, even if I see a super nice stuff like this, I can't take it because I've already took my loss, and I want to make sure I stick to my trading plan, no matter what, bro. Oh, word. Yeah. Yeah, you gonna pass it. Yo, Mentor, good morning. Welcome to the live stream. That would have been such a beautiful setup right here. That'd have been a one-to-one would have been secured. Almost a one-to-one. Yeah, almost a one-to-one would have been secured. Almost. I'd have made this trade break even. Oh yeah, another thing too, I am working on my new Discord because a lot of people have been asking me to a lot of people ask me, yo man, you got a Discord? I should start a Discord. So I have my Discord is already made. I've already made it. I'm just doing a little bit of adjustments to it. The only person that is in my Discord as of right now is my fiance because I want to see how everything look on her end. But a lot of you guys asked me to start a Discord, so I am working on Discord. So I'm gonna put the Discord out there and advertise it and put it out there. It's gonna become available my next YouTube video because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a grand opening and I'm gonna do a giveaway for you guys as well. I'm gonna do a giveaway and a grand opening on my next YouTube video. So yeah, that's gonna be the grand opening to my Discord, bro. It's gonna be a giveaway, and everyone will be able to be a part of it. Everyone will be able to be a part of it. It's really simple instructions. And no, I don't want y'all fucking money. I don't want y'all money. And it's going to be free. I don't want shit from y'all. I want y'all to keep y'all own money to make sure y'all are able to change y'all life for y'all family, pay y'all bills, and make it out the struggle because trust me, I know what it feels like. So I don't want y'all money. It is free. I'm going to be doing a giveaway for you guys, man. I'm a Discord critic if you need help. I've already created it, but you can kind of give me your insight, bro. Send me. I don't know if you got an Instagram. I got an Instagram at StretchFX. Is in the bottom of my description. But yeah, send me a DM or email. I think my email should be in my description as well. Let me see. Yeah, my email is also in the bottom of my description. That's all love. Yeah, for sure, man. I mean, you already know, man. I'm in everything that I do, bro. If I public it, it's for everybody. It's for everyone. It's for everyone, bro. Damn, this would have been a dub. This would have been a dub, bro. 1% would have been 1-to-1 would have been nice. All right, really quick, y'all. I'm gonna get ready to take a break. I'm gonna let this stay here. I'm gonna be back in like 2 minutes, literally. At 9:12, I'll be right back. So we're gonna chop it up. The voice is about to go. Let me go to another screen. I don't want you guys just look at the weird screen. Let me see. Sweet shirts. I'll be right back, y'all. All right, you guys can hear me now. I'm back. All right, back to the comments. Stretch is a real one, not one of those dweeps that make profit and make a Discord. Yeah, I'm not with the fucking profit, bro. Like, I don't want y'all money. I don't want y'all money, bro. I want everyone to win. I want everyone to win. But then again, like, it's not to say anything bad about anyone that have a Discord that charge, because you got to realize too, people charge for their time. Like, if I was to come, I don't have a course, but if I was to come up with a course, obviously the course is not going to be free, because the course can be free, or you can have certain free material out there. But one thing that just should not be free, I'm just being honest, is like one-on-one sessions. If a person do a one-on-one session, that's different. I mean, you got to charge for your time one way or another. But $1,000, $500, all that shit's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie, it's weird. Your boy charging $50 a month. But then again, everyone has their own prices, bro. At the end of the day, it is what it is. Me personally, I don't want y'all money. I don't need y'all money. I like to give free shit out. Hey, sure, what do you think about ICT and fair value gap? Everything works. I've traded everything, bro. I've traded ICT, smart money concept, supply and demand, support resistance, trend line breaks. All strategies work, honestly, bro. Everything works. Everything actually boils down to your psychology. All right, I'm gonna give you a perfect example, right? I'm gonna tell you why everything works. And at the same time, you gotta kind of train your eyes to see certain things too. But I made this area right here, right? It would have been better if it would have been here. It's like a zone, somewhat of a zone. Price act as a support in this area. Support, somewhat of a support. All right, price act as a resistance break. This is only if you was to trade support and resistance. You kind of train your eyes to just see support and resistance. You wouldn't have seen this 5-minute supply. You would have seen the support and resistance. Or even if it was up here, like I had it up here originally. Boom. I had it up here. Same thing. If you bought at the support, you could have bought at support. You want to sell at the break and the retest of this, the break candle, take it all the way down. Trend line. Let me see if I can find something with a trend line. Let's say, for example, if you was a trend line trader, like, I guess like Mamba, trend line break right here, right? Boom. Price reject off of this, it's in a downtrend, so obviously you gotta wait for the opposite trend line break. So boom, that was the first trend line break right here, boom, right? It retested, and then some people actually have bought. So that's a trend line break. If you are a trend line break trader, you train your eyes to see that. I'm a supply demand trader, so I seen something and I took a loss on it. And if you're a support resistance trader, let's say for example, right? If you're a support resistance trader, I'm just showing you guys all this shit work actually. If you're a support resistance trader, you see price act as a support. If you're a support resistance trader, support. This is like a brass through whatever. Resistance. Came down, support. You want to buy at the support, you want to sell at the resistance. All that shit works. I finally caught one of your live. Good shit, bro. Good morning. Good morning. For the ones that are just tapping in, I took a big L on gold sales. I took this L right here. It was a 5-minute supply. Break a candle down here, and soon I entered, it went straight into negative. Went straight into negative. I don't even know what caught is. Yeah, at the end of the day, there's no right or wrong way to go about it. It's about like what a person trained themselves to see. I've trained myself to see support resistance. I trained myself to see supply and demand. And I do love fair value gaps. God damn, AU. Yeah, I did see this. I marked this up because I seen it was a potential entry. I told myself if I wouldn't have taken that gold loss, I would have took this AUD sell. My main take profit is down here for like almost a the 1 to 2.5 risk reward. Commitment of trader. I've never heard of that before. I've never heard of that before. That's the first time I've ever seen that before. I'm in a zone-to-zone scalper trader. Yeah, like he just said, he's that type of trader. Bro, right here just said that he's a zone-to-zone scalper trader. Everyone, all the strategies work. Everything boils down to what you see at that moment. You may be an all-around trader, just a technical trader on all levels, and you'll be able to see more things than the person that just trades support resistance. That person may be able to see more things than a person that just trades supply and demand, or ICT, or smart money concept, or a trend line trader. It's just what you train yourself to see. I trained myself to see support resistance on a higher time frame and supply and demand. I'm all right. Commitment of I'm a dead ass do some research on that because I'm a very curious person. I love to do research on this type of stuff. I've never heard this before. Now I'm really curious to see how it goes. Let me see. Put it in my notes. Commitment of traders. COT. Sure, thank you for your honest and facts that you replied to our comments. Bro, I reply back to every... It's like this. My YouTube channel is solely based on my supporters, bro. And everyone supports me. If you comment, if you like, if you watch my shit, you have supported my channel. The least that I can do is reply back to every single person that comment. I don't give a fuck if there's 1,000 comments. I'm gonna sit my ass down, and the least thing I can do is for everyone that supported me is sit my ass down for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, and reply back to every single comment. Sometimes I miss comments because, let's just say, for example, this person may comment something, right? I reply back to the comment. I don't get a notification if they reply back to my comment. So I would literally have to go back to my YouTube channel, and I do this. I'll literally go back to my YouTube channel, and if I see like 2 replies, I'm like, oh damn, this person replied back to this comment that I comment back. And now I reply back to their comment. That is the least that I can do to my viewers. That's the least I can do. Is to answer and reply back to every single comment. I'm gonna do that. I am not too damn busy to reply back to the comments and to answer questions, bro. And bro, to look at and accept constructive criticism that a person commented on, bro, that's the least I can do. That's the least I can do. I've seen Swaggy C reply back to a lot of comments. Then again, there are some traders that I see that don't reply back to anything. MartyVeeFX, for example, he don't reply back to shit. I don't see how some of y'all can support. I'm gonna be honest. One thing about me, I'm gonna put my mind out there, and you guys, bro, a lot of y'all love MartyVeeFX. I support, bro. I can't say I support him. I respect him as a man and for what he's doing, whatever. But for just a advertise, I don't know, man. I got a video about that shit. Y'all go watch that shit. I don't want to talk about that. But yeah, the least you can do is actually give y'all reply back to the people that support you. That's at least half of the people. But everyone's different. That's just who I am. Everyone is different, bro. And trust me, bro, another thing is, I am not where I want to be at. But you better believe, once I'm where I want to be at, and once you guys see me be able to buy my dream car, my dream home, and shit like that, bro, you guys are going to see that I've never changed. I still reply back to all comments. I still put a lot of shit out there for free. I don't have a course, but bro, it's so much information out there. In reality, all strategies work. And another thing is, if you guys just tap to the live stream, bro, give me a thumbs up. That's the only thing I ask. And that's real, and also why I support your channel, whether it benefits me or not. And I appreciate that. Thank you. I'm not the best trader. I am far from that, bro. I take losses left and right. But at the end of the day, bro, I just this is my journey, bro. I'm just showing you guys my whole journey, bro. This is a journey of a real fucking trader, bro. That's making it from the trenches. I am not where I want to be at. I am far as hell from where I want to be at. Believe me. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna get there. I'm gonna get there. It's 9:22. Around like 9:45, I'm gonna be closing the live stream, bro. I took my loss in the beginning of this live stream, bro, and it sucks. But it is what it is. COT data is telling me short NAS, and I'm in it on. Bro, let me see what NAS look like now, because, bro, NAS looks like it's setting up for a fucking bearish move. Bro, NAS is looking like it's setting up for a bearish move, bro. It's looking like it's setting up, bro. That's all I can say. I'm gonna look into COT data though. I'm definitely gonna do that, bro. Believe me. And when I tap back into the live stream and I see you, I'm be like, yo, bro. And I see you in every live stream, bro. I'm be like, yo, bro. I'm gonna give you some feedback. You'll be like, oh, dang, this dude really did some research on it. But yeah, bro. I'm definitely gonna do that. Yeah, NAS like it want to set up. It's setting up for a fucking massive fall. I won't be surprised if NAS come down and fill in all this fucking imbalance, bro. It's a lot of gap. Bro. Big boy gaps, bro. Yeah, NAS like it's getting ready to plummet. I don't go live every day. For the longest, I was not trading Wednesdays, but I am now trading Wednesdays. I will trade every day of the week. Weekday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So will I be live every day? Not sure. Some days I just may not be live at all. That NAS trade would have been fucking crazy. I'd have put that trade at break even because I didn't like none of this shit at all. I put that trade at break even, and then I would have waited for candle to come down and break that candle. Because at the end of the day, like my guy Antonio always says, bro, it's best to the goal is to make sure you protect your capital. The goal is to protect your capital. A lot of people say that, bro. In reality, it is. So if I knew that I was in profit down here, and price came all the way back up, I will get out at break even, and I'll probably wait for another entry if it breaks this candle, and then I can kind of I can keep my stop loss where it's at, or you kind of put your stop loss right there, above this high. But I think it would be best to put it above here. That way, it's above the 50 EMA, and it's at the order block, the top of the order block. I will send you a DM on Instagram so I have contact with you, bro. For sure, you can do that, man. For the ones that are tapping in, I took a loss this morning on gold. 2% loss on gold. So I'm back tomorrow risking 1% on that trade. And I may just be trading live on my live account. I may do both. All right, the open's in 4 minutes. The broker that I use Sway Markets. If you're interested in joining Sway Markets, click the link in the bottom of my description. And join Sway Markets with my affiliate link in the bottom. Yeah, that AU would have been crazy, bro. Watching from New Zealand, bro. Much love. Thank you, Tony K, bro. Thank you for tapping in, bro. I appreciate it. And shout out to my newest subscriber. Who's my latest subscriber? My latest subscriber is not here. Advanced. Advanced is my latest subscriber. Shout out to you, Advanced. Over here it says a whole bunch of people name. Bunzy, Butt, Judith. Then this light finna die. Here's some natural light. Yeah, Judith, Franchise, James Smith, Israel, Henry, Christina Small, Real Rock. It's so many of y'all. I can't even keep up with it. And it's so small. I can't even read it. What's your name? Stretch is because you're stretched that. That's my nickname. I had that name for a long time. And I'm 6'4". I'm pretty tall. 6'4" and a half. 6'5", 6'4". My girl say 6'5". I've been 6'4" for the longest, and I did get a little bit taller, so yeah, I am 6'5". 2 minute to money printing open. I would not be surprised if NAS fucking fall out the sky today. Let me go back and NAS and see what's going on with it. Yeah, I will not be surprised if NAS fall out the sky. I will not be surprised if the fucking next 2-hour candlestick breaks all the way down here. I won't be surprised, bro. I won't. There's a 2-hour supply. After this fucking change of character. I won't be surprised if it goes up first. And then fumble. Then again, it shit just might fall. Yep, that shit is gonna fall. And this would be a breaker structure if it breaks this area. Your NAS is out of there, bro. That baby gone. Today was a good day for me. Up 4%. Good shit. Keep running it up, bro. Good day. Well, I ain't telling you to keep trading, bro. You can do what you want to do. But 4% for the day, yeah, you should be done. You need to go ahead and secure that bag, bro. Yeah, NAS is going to probably come all the way down and fill in all this imbalance, possibly. Possibly. $5% is your weekly goal, bro? Shout out to you, bro. Fam, shout out to you. Good shit. 4% today on a Monday. What did you trade? Did you trade? Wait, what did you say you traded? No, you never told me what you traded today. Oh, you was asking me what do I think about NASDAQ short. So you caught a NAS100 sell, didn't you, bro? If you did, good shit. I'm in the NAS short. Yeah, you getting rich. You getting rich. Good shit, fam. Good. Good come up. I took a loss this morning. So this morning I did not trade my live account. I traded my phase 2 on funding pips. Funding pips, they was we're not able to trade on our phase 2 or them at all because they changed from MT4, MT5 over to its own platform. It has its own platform. So I took a 2% loss on the phase 2 account. I didn't trade my actual live account today. I only focus on 3 pairs, which is NAS100, gold, and AUD/USD. I took my loss on gold this morning. You caught that NAS sell too. I did set up my chart on AUD/USD because what I seen was this. I seen this earlier. I didn't trade it. I just set it up. I told myself if I would have never took that gold loss, I would have traded my AUD/USD. I would have traded this AUD/USD, and you guys can see that I entered in. Well, not didn't enter, but I would have entered at the break of that candlestick right here, and it came down, came back up, and I told myself, okay, if price would have broke above below this candlestick, I would have entered there. Obviously, it didn't, and the stop loss would have been at the top. And I was also explaining that there's this every trading strategy work. I was explaining that on a higher time frame, not a higher time frame, but if you trade support resistance, that would have been a break and a retest to get ready to fall off. But yeah, I took my loss today and I'm finished, bro. I'm done trading for the day. I'll be back tomorrow. I'm up 5% and done for the week. Yeah, you out of there, bro. You ate good on NAS100. Yeah, you ate good on NAS100, bro. Yeah, you need to close the charts right now. Look at AU on 30-minute supply. Yeah, I had. Wait, was it? I think it was the 15-minute I had marked up. Yeah, it was. Actually, it's supposed to be right here. Yeah, I've already had it marked up over here. Because another thing too, on a daily time frame, this is like a break, a retest, and it wicked this area 3 times. So I would be expecting that AUD/USD was continue to fall down. Right now, AU just doing that shake and bake shit. AUD/USD is still very valid for sales. Yeah, a few more minutes. I'm gonna get ready to end the live stream, y'all. For the ones that have not yet, you guys can please press the like button. I appreciate it. That's all I ask for. You guys press the like button. I'll make sure I continue to answer all y'all comments on any of my YouTube videos, and I'm gonna always do that anyways. That's never gonna stop. NAS buys right now. NAS buys right now. Good luck. By just seeing what just happened, NAS pretty much just grabbed London lows. It could have possibly been a liquidity grab, but what's up, bro? In US 30 buys. Oh, what's going on, Mustang Life? What's good, fam? Yeah, I'm good. I'm not fuck with any of this shit for the rest of the day. I'm back tomorrow. For the one that just tapped in, I took a loss on gold, and I'm back tomorrow. Don't buy. Yeah, I don't think buying NAS100. I'm not feeling that. NAS is very bearish. NAS is bearish. You can possibly try to get a buy if price come above here. But as of right now, no. Hell no. You're better off testing your luck on the sale. Despite this wick rejection. Despite this. But nah, I wouldn't be trading nothing. I don't like none of this price action today. All this price action today was fuck its ass. AU was like the only nicest shit for me. Gold looked it straight, but you seen what happened with gold. All good, me too, bro. Gold fucked you up, yeah, bro. I took a 5-minute supply sale on gold, bro. I took this shit down here. Don't worry about this because I was just explaining to you guys if a person was a trendline trader, how they would be able to look at the market, and if you were a supply and demand trader, it was obviously the supply that I have marked up and the support resistance. So you kind of disregard this. But yeah, this was the fucking shit I took. I took the sale right here, and the shit immediately went to negative. I never even seen fucking break even. It went straight negative. Big stupid ass L. Shit went way up there, bro. I did not see that coming. Yeah, a couple more minutes. I'm finna get ready to end the live stream, y'all. I appreciate every one of you guys for tapping in. I appreciate y'all for interacting. I appreciate you guys for the questions, for the likes, for the compliments. I really appreciate. See, look at this shit. Why would y'all want to buy that shit? It's doing crackhead shit. No, you can't. Nah, hell no. And let me see what AU still doing. Yeah, AU still with the foolery. But yeah, once again, I want to tell you guys for tapping in. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the likes. I got up to 50 likes. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. There's 38 people in here, man. I want to tell you guys that, bro, never give up this shit. I am not where I want to be at. I've been documenting my journey for the longest. I will continue documenting my journey because the journey continues, bro. The journey continues. The journey never stops. Shout out to each and every one of you guys that commented, that left positive feedbacks, constructive criticism. I'm the type of person, I won't just kick you out. You guys have the right to redeem yourselves. But if you with the bullshit, I will kick your ass the fuck off. I will block the shit out of you. I don't give a fuck. I will block the shit out of you. You guys already know I always say that. But yeah. Shout out to you, Ningo, Dream Chaser, Profits 24/7, Mustang Life, Crooked Tooth, Ultima Jose, K. Gilbert, Jaheem, Tony Cato, Unk User, TBET, the guy that's from South Africa. I appreciate you for tapping in. Yo Quit. C was good. I'm about to get ready to end the live stream. Buno, Brass and Blues Bonnet, Warmate, PureFX, Darius, Kyle, Leon, Oro, Dunjun FX, Conscious Mind FX, OG Kim. I mean, if I didn't call y'all Game Girl, Mr. Pure Life, I appreciate y'all for tapping into the live stream. But yeah, I got a date to go on with my fiance. So that being said, that'll be it for this live stream. Until next time, NAS at a 5-minute supply. But yeah, that shit looks dope too. No. But I'm finna get ready to get off the live stream, man. I'm done training today. I'm gonna be back tomorrow. And yeah, deuces.